Hey there, succulent lovers! Today we're diving into the art of creating a natural-looking succulent arrangement using our authentic faux succulents from the Naturally Inspired series. I'm your host, Jessie, at SucculentByWade, where we discuss all things succulent. What makes these succulents unique is their realistic appearance. Unlike uniform faux succulents, each petal in our collection is unique in size, shape, and color, just like the succulents you find in a garden. For this arrangement, we envisioned a low-profile design in a beautiful concrete pot. The key to creating low-profile arrangements is ensuring the heights of the picks stay fairly uniform, slightly rounding lower as you reach the edge of the pot. You don't want to have a random succulent sticking up higher than the others. Mix and match the different colors and sizes to mimic natural diversity of succulents in the wild. We opted for a variety of colors to mimic the diversity found in succulent gardens. As you arrange, keep an eye on the balance and spacing between the succulents. Play around until you're happy with your composition. And there you have it, a stunning faux succulent arrangement that brings the beauty of nature indoors. Visit our website to explore our Naturally Inspired series and start creating your own botanical masterpieces. Happy arranging, and remember, embrace nature's beauty with Succulent by Wade.